Alright, so first things first. Did you subscribe? Did you smash the like button? What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Singh Zima out here with another banger video, and today we're actually going to be doing something a bit different. It's a story time about the time my friend lied about losing his virginity. Story, make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, even though you were supposed to do it from the beginning of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to get straight into it. I had a conversation with Alex. Alex is his name, code name for the time being, and he knows that I'm doing this video. So if you guys think that Alex might be offended by this or whatever, or I'm a bad friend or whatever the case is, that's not the case, because he knows. Like I said, it all started around this time last year when Alex came to our group chat that we have. We have a big PS4 group chat for like some gamers and stuff. So Alex said that at a party, a girl named Ashley showed up, and she came in a BMW and she was flexing with like Hennessy bottles and whatever. Because he was drunk, he wasn't sure if she would like the sober, boring version of himself. So the guys in the group argued with him about it for about 3 hours, and then eventually Alex decided to give it a try. Seeing that Ashley had a crush on Alex, Alex started sending screenshots showing his progress to the man, because we give him advice, so them just want to know like what's the pre. And the weekend came around and Alex said that he'd be going to Ashley's house. So Alex showed one of the guys a screenshots of him asking the girl if she had ever done it before. You see me? I'm sure you guys know what it is. She then asked Alex if he was planning anything. You see me? I mean, I'm sure she kind of knew what was happening. Alex texted me for a pep talk, seeing that I'm his friend and stuff. You see me? He called me and he had a conversation before he left to go to the girl's house in some rich neighborhood, you see me, uptown. So when he left, he posted a snap, like he posted a few snaps saying stuff like, yo, today a boy becomes a man and stuff like that. And when he got there, then he posted another snap saying, here goes nothing. So a couple hours passed and he made a snap where he was at the movies. But this whole time, like the whole time period, he never texted anybody, you see me, like the whole group waited for hours to see like what this man was doing, because I don't know, we don't get an update on if he actually did it or if he didn't do it. In the group, or like whenever we play games online, we would make jokes about like being virgins, because there are a few virgins in the group chat, you see me, but it's just a joke, you get me? When you're playing games, be like, oh, virgins not allowed, and some play stuff like that. But I guess he took it seriously because he was a part of that group of people who were virgins, I guess. So it was kind of a big deal to everybody. So yo, like one of the youth them actually stepping up in life, you see me? So he came back in the night detailing like everything they did, like how the girl house smell, the snacks them eat, the movies them watch on Netflix, like how it went, the positions, like everything. This man detailed everything to the T. He sent a 10-minute voice note detailing everything. Him even shout out like two of the men from the group for their amazing advice, because what they told him worked. Alex said that this was the best 30 minutes of his life. Everybody was congratulating this man, you see me? Like being a group of 100+ people, it's difficult for everybody to come together, but this one time everybody was together and congratulating this man, and for good reason, you see me? Our boy like did it, you see me? He finally did it. Some of the guys in the group even felt away, because as I said, remember there's a group of people who were virgins, so they're like, yo, how this man beat us to, losing them V card and whatever. One member in particular told his mom like the whole situation, because you see me, we cool with their parents, dog, you see me? So he was telling his mom like, yo, my virgin finally do it, and his mom was planning to keep a big party, which one of our friends from Canada was planning to fly down and celebrate. So this was like a big deal, you see me? Like it was a big deal in the group and in like our social community. So fast forward a month later now, Alex decides to say this girl is annoying and he doesn't want anything to do with this girl, because apparently she was pressuring him into a relationship and he wasn't ready for it. Understandable, but still, this is the girl that apparently you lost your thing with, and a month later you just... Anyways, so him drop her, which was really dumb, because everybody in the group was like telling him not to do it, but the dog still decided to do it. So I was like, alright, whatever. The dog gets up and cut off Ashley. Stupid. So later in the year, Alex claimed to have found another girl named Amanda. So Alex said that he was going to link up with Amanda over the weekend, but Alex didn't like her vibe because she came off as a gold digger apparently. one day in particular, Alex came into the PS4 party. The man them was playing games or whatever, and he was talking about how he missed Ashley Zoom because he met this new girl and he never liked her vibe, so he was missing Ashley. But Ashley blocked him, but he was being all sad and thing. So this man even started playing the Justin Bieber song that they were playing while they were doing it, just so he could like relive the memory. And the man them didn't waste any time teasing him at the fact say, yo, we literally told him not to drop the girl, but him still dropped the girl, and now he's like all sad about it. So a few days after that, Alex decided that he would message Ashley's best friend Abigail, sticking with the A names, to get through to Ashley and ask some of the group members to help him. So while they're in the party chat playing games, Alex sends screenshots of Abigail cussing him off, and two specific members, they've been through situations like this before where girls are upset and whatever, so they decided to help him out. These guys spent literally over an hour drafting text messages so Alex can copy and paste them and send to Abigail. It eventually worked and she make Alex talk. You see me? Alex sent a message, she passed on the message to Ashley, but Ashley didn't want nothing to do with this man, and for obvious reason the man just cut her off for no reason. Still stupid. Abigail sent a long paragraph message saying how Ashley was like crying and stuff, but there are a lot of typos in the paragraph, and that will make sense soon, but keep it in mind, the type of thing. It's very important. You see, nobody never prayed the first time. Alex was upset, but he wouldn't let it go. Like, he got upset and he took out his anger on the group chats. He sent about 15 videos where he made memes with him beating up somebody else, and his name would be on the person beating up the person who is Ashley's new boyfriend, and him beat up the whatever. You get the point. He made a lot of memes, you see me? It was annoying to some of the members, but for some it was just like a good laugh, you see me, because we understood the whole situation. So it was kind of funny. But a few of the group members kind of threatened him and said, yo, him need for bail because they will send it back to Ashley. The new year was coming around and Alex was still pent up on this whole Ashley Amanda situation over like a whole 3-week period. So jokingly, the man in the group said, yo, Alex, if you don't want the girl, just set the link. Alex said he doesn't like her vibe because she only wants him for him money, but at the same time he doesn't want to be lonely. It don't make any sense. After this is where like things start going south. So some of the group members started asking for Amanda's details, which is the girl who he calls a gold digger, anytime he mentioned her. Alex said he wanted to keep her around because he didn't want to be lonely, but they kept it up and continued asking, and eventually they got through. After that, he eventually gave them the Snapchat account, and obviously immediately people started adding his account. Immediately after adding them, she added them back. And after adding them back, she sent a message saying, hey, this is my private Snapchat account, like, where did you get my snap from? To everybody, like, it's like a copy and paste message. Something was off about the account. When they watched her story, the only snap she had was about 10 minutes before they added her, and it was a snap about Alex. And they also saw that the account was marked as recently joined, because you know when you make a new Snapchat account, it kind of shows that you have a recent account. And the snap score was 2, which means that the account was actually like brand new, like Amanda just made the Snapchat account. Furthermore, although the Snapchat name was Amanda606, the contact came up as Alex's name, because you know when you save somebody's number and you use the number to make a Snapchat account, the contact comes up. So one of the group members confronted him, and Alex admitted that he made the fake account because he didn't want the man to get to Amanda, and he was sorry and he wouldn't do it again. You see me? Alright, no problem. You don't want us to talk to your girl, dog, whatever the case is. Not that serious. So fast forward, I went to the group chat and I asked the man them for some girls ads for a future video. And some of the group members started listing names like Rapid, you see me? And so one of the group members jokingly said that I should DM Ashley, but Alex was getting all defensive, and the man was saying, yo, Alex, set the link, like, why pre? But Alex was saying, yo, like, cut foolishness, like, he wasn't having it. So Alex DM'd the member and said that, yo, this is Amanda's actual Snapchat account. And he added her, and when he was scrolling through his streaks, like to send his streaks, he noticed something weird. He saw Alex's names twice. So he took a screenshot, DM'd Alex and asked if this is actually the girl's account, because why is it that the same new name that he gave still comes up with your contact name? And Alex didn't answer. So the member sent the Snapchat account in the group and asked why Alex made another fake account, because he said that he was sorry and he wouldn't do it again. Alex DM'd him back and said he shouldn't have done that because the man them going out pressure him for the link. You see me? Keep in mind, I'm still here trying to just get some girls ads, so I don't even know what's happening in the background. So Alex got super defensive, and to prove his innocence, he went into Snapchat and showed like him adding her or whatever. And immediately after, that's when everybody in the group started adding this Amanda girl. So when people started adding this Amanda girl on Snapchat, they noticed that the name was coming up as whatever they saved Alex in their phone. Alex used his number to verify the Snapchat account, which means that whenever anybody added him, his name would come up. So he kind of sold himself out at this point. So now everybody knew that this Amanda girl was fake because Alex made a fake account for her. But I was still upset that Alex was lying over foolishness, you see me, because it was unnecessary for him to lie about a girl who is a gold digger. So I DM'd one of the group members to ask for Amanda's number because apparently he took a screenshot of the WhatsApp conversation and sent it to them to show them like how pretty she was or whatever, but he forgot to block out the number. So when I check the number now, like when I check back and I check the numbers and I reference or whatever, I realized that the number called me earlier in the day. And this confirmed that Amanda wasn't real because her number was already in my phone, but I've never spoken to this girl before. The number belonged to Alex's little sister, which he used to text himself to pretend to be a girl that liked him so that he could impress his friends for over a month. So I told the guy who sent me the number, but we decided to keep it a secret because we wanted to give Alex a chance to come clean, you know what I mean? But he ignored us for over an hour. So I decided, yo, you know what, I just gotta expose this man because this even makes sense. So the group was patiently waiting on the info because I basically said like, yo, Alex, if you're lying, make we know, like, because we have evidence of whatever. And he didn't respond. When I told the group everything in regarding to the number, everybody was like freaking out. And then somebody said, wait, what if Ashley wasn't real? If Ashley wasn't real, then Alex wouldn't have lost his virginity. But that wouldn't make any sense because this man called me for a pep talk and went in a taxi that I called for him, and that much dedication couldn't have all been for a lie, you see me? But one of the group members decided to still go and do research just to check. So after being gone for a while, one of the members came back with some shocking news, you see me? He found a YouTube profile, but Ashley's name wasn't Ashley. She was a kind of famous, not so famous YouTube and TikTok star. And one of the group members jokingly said, yo, if you kind of squint a little, white people kind of look the same, so it's not that serious, as a joke. So basically gave Alex the benefit of the doubt. But as we were defending him, his Instagram DM was blowing up because one member found her Instagram profile. So scrolling through on this Instagram account, one of her first posts earlier last year, Alex took a screenshot from a video that she posted and made that her profile picture on WhatsApp. Guys went crazy because this is the exact same girl and here's the exact same post that Alex called Ashley. And from this point on, we knew that Ashley wasn't real either. And if Ashley isn't real, Alex wouldn't have lost his virginity and he would have lied about it just to impress us, his friends. But not only that, he came back a year later pretending to be heartbroken just to secure the lie. So it turns out that Alex made up 4 imaginary girls, all of which he tried to use to impress us. So he would create fake accounts for girls who didn't exist and use his little sister's phone to text himself to look like he was actually having a conversation. And keep in mind, we should have known because, as I said earlier, there was a typo in Abigail's message, like in the long paragraph. There were typos that Alex would normally make, but we looked past it at the time. When his friends asked for the account details, he would send him a fake account and lie to cover it up, just to convince us that these girls are real. So in all, Alex made up 4 girls, lied on 2 real girls that we know of, made multiple fake accounts, faked emotions of rage, depression, and hopefulness, just to deceive us who are his friends to maintain a 9-month lie about his virginity. In conclusion, if you're going to tell a lie and you get away with it, leave it at that. Because if you mention it back, it's going to catch up to you eventually. Alex could have fooled everybody in the group if he stopped when everybody stopped caring about it. But no! He brought it back up and faked emotions in front of his friends and stretched over the course of a month until the lie caved in on him and his friends clowned him for it, including me. He was obviously upset with everybody and he deleted everybody off social media, including Snapchat, WhatsApp. He blocked everybody. He came out of the group. He even unfriended everybody on PlayStation. I still fail to understand how somebody gets upset at other people over their own lie. Don't be like Alex.